You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome and hello. I'm Shell. So today's video, I will be doing a PR package from BuriBuri. They were kind enough to send me over 6 items. Now I did do a quick little view of what I had in a previous video, so if you guys haven't checked that video out, I'll leave it up in the iCards above. Make sure you go check that out. I did a haul on a bunch of things plus a couple PR packages I have. So we're going to go ahead and in this video, I'm going to swatch everything. And then I'm going to create a nail look. So if you guys are interested in seeing the colors and what they look like, stay tuned and we're going to go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so I quickly removed all of the items out of the packages. And this actually is a 6-piece set, but I only have 5 of the colors that came out of the set. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. So these are cat magnetic gel polishes. They're so gorgeous. I can't wait to swatch it. And so just to give you a quick look, this is a 10 ml bottle. This is a glass bottle. And then they have this little peekaboo window. And then the number for this particular color is on the side. And like I said, this is a collection. You can buy them all in one set or you can buy them individually. So this is the number 1. But this is the series number. And I'll have everything linked down below. Make sure you guys always check down in the description box if it's any items that you see that you want. I also have a discount code for you guys. I'll put that on the screen, as well as always check down in the description below because it'll always be down there as well. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to jump right into swatching these. So I already have my swatch sticks ready. So we're going to start off with color number 1.
Even if you try, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar.
So this is what the color looks like before I do the magnet. It is so pretty.
To that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different.
Hopefully you guys can see the magnetic particles move.
Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on
So
about your
pretty.
simple life. Nothing left you.
Okay, so while that's in the light, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to swatch it over black as well. Just so we can see what the difference is.
Thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, you're undeniable.
Okay, so that was 1. And then we're going to jump over to number 2. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to swatch all of these. And then we're going to come back and talk about it. And then we're going to do a nail look. So I'm going to play some music. So hopefully you guys enjoy.
I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you think.
Okay guys, so here is the swatch from the color number 1, and as you can see, it is a gold. It shows up really good on the black and on the clear tip. It has a shimmer of gold in it. I don't know how well it's come across on screen, but this is very, very pretty. Of course, anytime you're doing most magnetic gels, you want to do it over a darker color because it shows up more. But if you're looking for a more subtle look, you can definitely do it over a clear or a white. So this is number 1. This is really pretty. And then number 2 is the purple, and you can definitely see it in person on the clear swatch stick, and it looks like it's coming up across on screen as well, but over the black, of course, is really showing up. So this is really pretty, and it has like that shift of silver in it. This is really pretty. I love these colors. I definitely have to go back and get color number 5, which I believe is a red. It's either red or pink, because the one that I have, I can't tell if it's pink or red. So then this is number 3, and this is the blue. As you can see, really pretty. Born Pretty definitely be coming through with the gel polishes. They always thinking outside of the box. This is really cool. I love the effect that these give. And then number 4 is like a light blue, almost like a teal, but this is pretty as well. All the colors are pretty. And like I said, over the clear, you can see a hint of the blue, but if you're going for a more deeper blue effect, then you would definitely want to do it over a black. And then the last color is number 6. I believe this might be the red. Really pretty. So I actually love all these colors, and I'll definitely be leaving the link for these down in the description. So I'm gonna go in, I think I'm gonna do the purple one, which is color number 2. This one right here. And I'm just gonna do something really simple. And I only did 1 coat of those other ones, and I did do a top coat on top, and I used the Born Pretty shiny top coat. So everything that I'm going to be using, all the products anyway, is going to be from Born Pretty.
I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. Your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes.
Okay, so this is what they're looking like outside of the light. They've been cured for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to go in with the Born Pretty Metallic Drawing Gel. And this is in Cyberpunk. This is BPMD02. And it's the silver. I did go in and stir it with my little stirring stick. So now I'm going to go in with my liner brush. And this is the 20mm. And we're just gonna create some of the little design on the nail.
Stepping on toes with these humble acting everlasting ego. Oh, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. Oh, here it goes, oh, here it goes, oh, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. With these humble acting everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind.
I'm just slightly dragging the brush, just making little zigzag lines, not trying to keep it straight.
That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. With his humble acting everlasting ego. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in the light, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. Now I will tell you that the drawing gel does cure without a tacky layer, so you can apply your top coat and then go in with that if you choose to. I didn't. I just went over it with a top coat, and I used the Born Pretty super top coat. And then I also did one of the nails in matte, and I used the Born Pretty matte as well. I thought this came out really cool. It's giving me very much like Alien, Galaxy, Halloween type nails. So tell me down in the comments, guys, what you think of this look. Would you wear something like this? Which one was your favorite color? And remember, everything will be linked down below, as well as a discount code. So if you're interested in purchasing anything, head over there to Born Pretty. And I want to tell Born Pretty, thank you again for considering me to continue to do PR packages for you. I am so grateful, and I appreciate you guys so much for watching. If you stayed to the end of the video, thank you so much. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.
Now it's on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know